Welcome to Canon Law Explained. Today we're diving into Canon 1061 of the Latin Code, which speaks about 3 types of marriages. We're going to unpack Canon 1061 together, looking at what it means for a marriage to be ratified and consummated, and even what's called a putative marriage. You might be surprised at what you discover about this beautiful sacrament. A ratified marriage is the first step in a lifelong journey together. It's when 2 baptized people freely exchange their consent to marry, making a solemn promise to each other, doing so in front of the church, surrounded by their loved ones. For a marriage to be considered ratified, it needs valid consent, canonical form, and no impediments. This ensures the union is recognized by the church. When a marriage is ratified, it's like this incredible bond takes hold. It's called unity, a deep connection that binds them together, and it means the couple becomes a true single unit, sharing their lives in every way. Even though the Church sees ratified marriage as permanent, Canon 1142 tells us that in certain serious situations, the Pope can dissolve a ratified marriage that has not been consummated, providing a path forward for those in need. Now let's talk about what happens when that union becomes even deeper, when it transforms into something even more profound and sacred. Consummation is when a husband and wife engage in the marital act, open to the possibility of new life, a beautiful expression of their love and commitment. It's the total giving of oneself to another, physically and spiritually, a union that transcends the physical and touches the soul. For the Church, consummation is like the final seal on the sacrament of marriage, solidifying the bond in a way that is both sacred and unbreakable. Think about it like this. Ratification is like building a house, laying down the foundation and structure, but consummation is like moving in and making it yours, filling it with love and memories. It's in this space, in the intimacy and love of a consummated marriage, that the couple most fully lives out their vocation, their calling to be one. Their calling is to love and support each other as God loves them, to be a living testament to the power of divine love in their everyday lives. Life is complicated, and sometimes, even with the best intentions, things aren't always as they seem. Relationships in particular can be filled with unexpected twists and turns that challenge our understanding and expectations. This is where the idea of a putative marriage comes in. It's a concept that helps bring clarity in situations that are otherwise mired in confusion and uncertainty. Imagine 2 people get married, believing they're doing everything right, but there's an impediment that means their marriage isn't valid. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as a previous undissolved marriage or a legal technicality. If at least one person entered the marriage with a sincere belief that it was valid, it's called a putative marriage. This belief is crucial because it underscores the good faith and genuine intentions of the individuals involved. Even though the marriage isn't technically valid, the Church recognizes the good faith of the person who was unaware of the problem. This recognition is important as it acknowledges the honest mistake and the genuine commitment made. Think of it like buying a house, signing all the papers, but discovering the seller didn't actually own it. The buyer acted in good faith, believing everything was in order. The Church takes that into consideration, especially when it comes to the care of any children from the relationship. The welfare of the children is paramount, and the Church seeks to protect their interests. Once the truth comes out, the situation needs to be addressed, usually through the process of annulment. This process helps to formally recognize the issues and provide a path forward for all involved. So there you have it, a closer look at the 3 types of marriage according to Canon Law. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Canon Law Explained, for more insights. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. God bless.